Well, hello everyone. This is bird calling take number 5. It's been a while since we've been here. But hey, we're here now, right? So let's just freestyle for a little bit. If you remember from previous videos, I've already gone over how to do like the hand gestures and stuff. I haven't been practicing very much just because life in general has been kind of busy. I don't get to come to the park as often as I used to. But I appreciate every time I do come to the park. And this is an attempt of appreciating it even further. Well, okay, yeah. I'm just talking. Okay, well, that's a good angle. I like the sun. Let's see if I can maybe, yeah. Oh, is that better? No, hold on. I'm using a bush right now to stand my phone. Oh, a little crooked, but maybe I should have thought about this before I started recording. Anyway, sometimes you just go for it. There's a lot of glare. If I get closer, I guess that helps. All right, well, hold on. We're gonna do it like this, and and we're doing this on the fly, fellas. I'll put a timestamp on the video if you wanna skip through all this ad-libbing. Oh, okay, gotta be careful when you're moving, cause then, yeah. Alrighty, well, maybe a little more to this side. I want the tree to show up. Also, I'm not sitting like super center. Oh! Okay, well, that's better. Well, no, it's not. Here, I guess I'll just make this a blooper. Or, no, it's fine, it's fine. It doesn't have to be a blooper. These videos are long either way. If you're not here for the content, this is part of the content, me talking. Yeah, I guess we go for it. All right. Well, let's listen a little bit to the sounds of nature. You gotta warm up. I don't know if you can hear that bird, but I'm trying to mimic that one. I hope it's my cardinal friend. I love that guy. I can only record for 18 minutes. I just noticed. Okay, it's fine. That was a bug. That's right. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Ah, this bug. It's okay. Ooh. I changed my hands. Yeah. It's tricky. It ain't easy being cheesy, you know? Well, let's get to 8 minutes, I guess. And I'll end. Well, let's just talk for like the next 30 seconds. This is fun. This is really fun. I always have a lot of fun when I come here. I'm grateful to have the chance to come here and commune in the forest. I realize it's not something everybody gets to do. Well, I mean, anybody could do it, but given circumstances, not everybody can. So I'm grateful and I'm thankful for all my teachers here in the woods. Thank you.